President of India?
The President of India is Srimati Draupadi Murmu. Who is the Vice President of India?
The Vice President of India is Sri Jagdeep Dhankar. Who is the Prime Minister of India?
The Prime Minister of India is Sri Narendra Modi. Who is the Finance Minister of India?
The Finance Minister of India is Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman. Who is the Defence Minister of India?
The Defence Minister of India is Sri Rajnath Singh. Who is the Education Minister of India?
The Education Minister of India is Sri Dharmendra Pradhan. Who is the Governor of Tamil Nadu?
The Governor of Tamil Nadu is Sri R.N. Ravi. Who is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu?
The Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu is Sri M.K. Stalin. Who is the Education Minister of Tamil Nadu?
The Education Minister of Tamil Nadu is Sri Anbil Mahesh Poyyamoli.
Thank you.